Hola, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today again we will learn 15 useful phrases in Spanish, and our topic of today are clothing, okay? And we will do so in 3 easy steps. In our first step I will show you the sentences in Spanish with its translation, so to really understand what we will learn. In our second step we will use my shadowing technique. That means you try to copy me saying the sentences, quite interesting. And in our third step we will use Quizlet and we will practice everything actively with flashcards. Okay, so let's do this now, and let's start with our first step where I show you the 15 sentences about clothing of today. Let's go. Llevo una camiseta. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Llevo una camiseta. Mis pantalones son azules. My pants are blue. Mis pantalones son azules. Él se pone un suéter. He's putting on a sweater. Él se pone un suéter. La chaqueta es cálida. The jacket is warm. La chaqueta es cálida. Necesito zapatos nuevos. I need new shoes. Necesito zapatos nuevos. Llevo calcetines rojos. I'm wearing red socks. Llevo calcetines rojos. El vestido es bonito. The dress is nice. El vestido es bonito. La falda es demasiado corta. The skirt is too short. La falda es demasiado corta. Necesito un abrigo en invierno. I need a coat in winter. Necesito un abrigo en invierno. La bufanda es de algodón. The scarf is made of cotton. La bufanda es de algodón. Llevo un sombrero. I have a hat on. Llevo un sombrero. Ella lleva una gorra. She's wearing a cap. Ella lleva una gorra. Necesito guantes para la nieve. I need gloves in the snow. Necesito guantes para la nieve. Las gafas de sol son negras. The sunglasses are black. Las gafas de sol son negras. Mi cinturón es de cuero. My belt is made of leather. Mi cinturón es de cuero. Yes, and these are the 15 sentences of today. And in this moment I like to remember that I have on my website quite interesting stuff to learn Spanish even deeper and to really master the language. So let's have a look. So here you have my website, okay, marcuslanguageacademy.com, where you can learn Spanish in record time. Okay, I have here several things. First of all, I have a free Spanish masterclass where I really show you how you should study and master the language. So check it out, it's for free, you can sign up and watch it. And I have also a little present in there. Then I have my course where you start to learn Spanish from scratch, okay? And you do so with a kind of story. And I use also colors and images to really show you the Spanish grammar, so it's easier to understand. And I use my question answer technique to create repetition, that in the end you will master everything easily. And if you need to, okay, first of all, also you can check this out, this course for free, and so there's a free demo, you can learn the first 2 lessons and check out if you like it. And also there's an option that you can book a trial lesson with me to have a one-to-one lesson, and so I can help you with your problems learning Spanish. Okay, that's what I offer on my website. But now let's continue with our progress of our 15 sentences of today. Now we have our second step. Here we will use my shadowing technique. That means that I will read every sentence 3 times. The first time you just listen to me. The second time you try to speak the sentence together with me. So say the sentence like me, ¿vale? Be my shadow. And the third time I will still move my lips, but you cannot hear me. And you try to shadow my lips, okay? and in the end you will have a nice, quite good pronunciation and melody of each sentence. So let's do this now. Llevo una camiseta. Llevo una camiseta. Mis pantalones son azules. Mis pantalones son azules. Él se pone un suéter. Él se pone un suéter. La chaqueta es cálida. La chaqueta es cálida. Necesito zapatos nuevos. Necesito zapatos nuevos. Llevo calcetines rojos. Llevo calcetines rojos. El vestido es bonito. El vestido es bonito. La falda es demasiado corta. La falda es demasiado corta. Necesito un abrigo en invierno. Necesito un abrigo en invierno. La bufanda es de algodón. La bufanda es de algodón. Llevo un sombrero. Llevo un sombrero. Ella lleva una gorra. Ella lleva una gorra. Necesito guantes para la nieve. Necesito guantes para la nieve. Las gafas de sol son negras. Las gafas de sol son negras. Mi cinturón es de cuero. Mi cinturón es de cuero. Yeah, I really hope that you could copy me and you wear my shadow. If you need to, you can repeat the step without any problems. You jump just back in the video and you do it again. But we have still step number 3. And here we will practice everything with flashcards on Quizlet. So now let's jump to Quizlet. And here we are on Quizlet, and you see we have clothing in Spanish, Spanish with markers, and Quizlet has a variety of options, and let's choose the flashcard mode to master all the 15 sentences. So we just click here. And in options, please make sure that you track the progress, that the front side of the flashcard is in English so that we can answer in Spanish. And if you need to, you can activate the audio. I highly recommend this. I will deactivate the audio here because I will read every sentence personally. So now we have the sentence here in English on one hand of the flashcard, and you need to think how to say this sentence in Spanish. I will read always the English sentence. I give you 2 to 3 seconds. If you need to, you can pause the video to have more thinking time and you try to say the sentence in Spanish, and then we will check. Okay, so let's do this together. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Llevo una camiseta. And because we track the progress, we can decide that we know it or we still have to learn it. In the video I will mark everything as known because you can repeat the step easily, but if you study by yourself on Quizlet, you can always decide. And then you can focus on the sentence you still have problems. Okay. Sentence number 2. My pants are blue. Mis pantalones son azules. He's putting on a sweater. Él se pone un suéter. The jacket is warm. La chaqueta es cálida. I need new shoes. Necesito zapatos nuevos. I'm wearing red socks. Llevo calcetines rojos. The dress is nice. El vestido es bonito. The skirt is too short. La falda es demasiado corta. I need a coat in winter. Necesito un abrigo en invierno. The scarf is made of cotton. La bufanda es de algodón. I have a hat on. Llevo un sombrero. She's wearing a cap. Ella lleva una gorra. I need gloves in the snow. Necesito guantes para la nieve. The sunglasses are black. Las gafas de sol son negras. My belt is made of leather. Mi cinturón es de cuero. Yeah! So you see, we have everything in our no box, but if you study by yourself on Quizlet, you always decide. And if you have still something in still learning box, no, you will focus on them to really master them. Yeah, and these are the 15 sentences about clothing of today. I really hope you learned something, and please let me know in the comments which sentence you like most or which sentence you struggled, okay? And also you can let me know what topic you want to learn next, and I can create 15 sentences, 15 new sentences. And as a little present, remember that you can find over here on the description the learning set on Quizlet, so you can study these 15 sentences by yourself. And also remember that I have some interesting Spanish courses on my website. Yeah. That's actually everything of today. Please like the video and subscribe that you don't miss the next video. And for now I have to say muchas gracias y hasta pronto.